Prior to European colonization of the Americas, indigenous peoples used controlled burns to modify the landscape. These controlled fires were part of the environmental cycles and maintenance of wildlife habitats that sustained the people's cultures and economies. What was initially perceived by colonists as untouched, pristine wilderness in North America was actually the cumulative result of these occasional, managed fires, creating an intentional mosaic of grasslands and forests across North America, sustained and managed by the original peoples of the landbase. Radical disruption of indigenous burning practices occurred with European colonization and forced relocation of those who had historically maintained the landscape. Some colonists understood the traditional use and potential benefits of low-intensity, broadcast burns, while others feared and suppressed them. In the 1880s, impacts of colonization had devastated indigenous populations, and fire exclusion became more widespread. By the early 20th century, fire suppression had become official U.S. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.